Spacewalk. From the car park, we hiked 450 meters up, and then from this spot, we have 60 minutes more hike. On the official website, it says it closes at 5 p.m., but it actually closes at 9 p.m. at night. Okay, almost at the top. Spacewalk is using the steel in Pohang, made by a German artist. Closes at 9, opens at 10. No drinks allowed. Going up. Everyone's just crowded because everyone's trying to take pictures. And there's a bit of sunset now, look. Everyone's walking slow up because they're scared. And everyone's standing in the way taking pictures. And this thing actually shakes. It shakes so they're scared. The little tiny steps. My foot was very small.
You have to hold on to something.
And then it ends there. Because you can't go on the loop. So it's really shaky. You can't go through upside down. If you go back, you can go all the way around to the other side. At night time, it is lit up. We really enjoyed this walk in the day and at the night. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.